Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel a subscription in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to cancel a subscription in Notion. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to notion.so to launch the Notion web app. Then log into the account if prompted. So you have to log into the account associated with the subscription you want to cancel. The next thing to do once you're logged in is to click on your profile picture or the initials at the top left corner of the sidebar. So now I head it over to the profile initials. Now once you do that, this will open a menu. Now from this menu, go ahead and select settings, which we have here. Now in the settings window, you're going to have to navigate to the plans tab, which is currently at the left corner of the screen. Okay. All right. Now it's here. So we have upgrade plan. Now this particular plan section where you have active plan shows your current subscription plan and payment details. So for example, I'm currently using the free plan for organizing every corner of my work life, and it is currently at $0 per month or per member per month. All right, so if you have any plan subscribed to already, you're definitely going to find it right here in this block where I have my free plan stated here. Now under this plan that's under active plan, you will see your active subscription details right here, which is free. So go ahead and look for the current plan you subscribe to. It could either be the plus, all right, or business or enterprise. Okay, so below the details of your active plan, you find an option that says cancel plan or downgrade plan. What you have to do is to just click on the button, either cancel plan or downgrade plan. Then once you click on that button, Notion will prompt you with a confirmation dialog asking if you're sure about canceling. Now follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your cancellation. Once you confirm, your paid plan will be canceled and your action will be automatically downgraded to the free plan. You'll still be able to use Notion, but with the limitations of the free plan. For example, limited file uploads and no access to premium features. Notion will send a confirmation email to your registered email address notifying you that your subscription has been canceled. You will still have access to your paid features until the end of your current billing period. Once the period is over, you won't be charged again and your account will remain on the free plan. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Notion subscription. You can go about the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.